welcome back to ALHsuccesslines Fashion and Fitness channel. In this fitness edition, I am delighted to announce I am partnering with Jacfit. So, Jacfit is a sports game device that adds a twist to traditional working out at home. So yes, this is a new way to work out in the privacy of your home. Have fun and get in your exercise. So I bet you're wondering how this works. Well, the first thing is to wear the sensor on your ankle. The second thing is to download the app. And then you have to connect your phone with your television and you're ready to go. You're ready to enjoy an absolutely amazing exercise experience. So sit back, relax, and I am going to demonstrate how to do the Jacfit for cardio. So let's get